friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen diced sweet potatoes in an air fryer. So for this recipe, we need frozen diced sweet potatoes. No need to defrost, they're frozen solid. And I'm also going to use oil and seasonings, salt and pepper. You can use seasonings of your choice. So first I'm going to open a package of frozen diced sweet potatoes. And I will put them in the air fryer and let them defrost and then season them afterwards, because when you season frozen potatoes, the seasoning doesn't stick as well, and also sometimes they're frozen in clumps, making it hard to season. So let's defrost them. I will take my package of frozen diced sweet potatoes and put them in the air fryer. And now let's put it in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now in 5 minutes I'm going to take them out, they'll be defrosted, and season them and put them back in the air fryer. Now after 5 minutes have passed, they should be defrosted at this point. So now I'm going to take them out and put them in a bowl and season them. So I'm just going to add some oil. I'll use olive oil, and you can use any type of vegetable oil or no oil at all. Just oil helps them be more crispy. But if you don't care about it, you can just leave out the oil altogether, and I'll season it with some salt and pepper. And now I will toss them with oil and seasonings. So once they're evenly coated with oil and seasonings, I will return them back to the air fryer basket. And let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now 5 minutes later, let's take out the air fryer basket and just shake it so they cook evenly on all sides, and put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the sweet potatoes. Look at them, they look amazing. So crispy. Look at that, from frozen to crispy. It's only possible with the air fryer. It's a perfect method for cooking frozen diced sweet potatoes. Nice. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying these sweet potatoes. So soft and tender on the inside. Delicious, perfect roasted sweet potatoes. For a free printable recipe and other very easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!